Hi, Veronique. I'm gonna show you around your new website's backend. I think you're gonna be much happier with this one. So instead of using the plugin I used last time, where you can drag and drop the elements, what I did this time is I created a custom template for you. So let me go. For example, let's go to the home page. Now, if you noticed over here on the right side, we have page attributes and we have different templates. So I did one for each of your pages. So that way, all you have to do is enter text and images, and you can do changes really easily without worrying about breaking something. So for example, here we have the intro, the tiles, and the bios. So on the intro, we have this title here, and then some text underneath. Oh, I also want to talk to you about the this hero image. Let me close everything else. I have a mess here. Okay, this is better. Sorry. Okay, so we have this big hero image, and I think you are wasting a little space here having just an image. So maybe you want to have a tagline or a call to action. Maybe here in the middle we can have a small phrase and then maybe a button that says about learn more and take people to the about us page or something. Or we can have a button here that says learn more, and when people click it, it just make them scroll down, just so it's not just empty space with a photo. So let me know what you think. Now let's go back. So we have tagline here and some text here, which corresponds to this. Then we have these three images. Independence program, you haven't decided on this one, and worker program. So when people click on this, we have a modal box where you can have more text about the program. Or if you prefer, to link them to a new page, but for mobile phones, etc., this is more practical because it opens faster. So let me know what you think. So for example, those tiles over here are these ones. So we have the intro, then the tiles, and here all you have to do is change your image. Let's. I don't have any images, but oh, okay. I'm gonna use this one. So let's say you can just upload or change the image, and then you see it changes automatically. Now, it's best if the images you upload here are all the same size. If you don't have Photoshop or any other program to edit images, this is something I recommend. Let me see if I remember the. Um, there's tons of websites and apps and everything. I think this is the one I used before. No, it's not. But there's tons of websites like this one. So, for example, um, you can resize them. Basic resize. You can crop it. So let's say here, let me see. Our images are 1000 for 60 56, 7. So keep any. I don't know what. Oh, okay, it's not custom. Okay. Well, I'll find another website for you. There's tons of websites where you can edit images. Edit a photo. Yeah, they have the crop here too, so let's see. Oh, it's asking me to log in. I want you to see these websites, how they work, in case you need to use them. Okay, now let's upload this one. It's taking forever. I'll find a good website for you. So that you can have them all be the same size. And that way, when you upload new images here, you can pre-size them so they all look the same and you don't have one smaller than the other one. Yeah, this is not working out. I'll find you a new one, a better one. Or better yet, let me see if this plugin allows me to pre-size the images. That would be better. So once I click update, you'll see that the original image is back. Now for your text, it's really simple. We have the title, under title. We have the caption, which would be this text over here, just like a little paragraph. If you don't need this text, all you have to do is delete whatever you have there, under caption. So you see I go back here and it's gone. So if you want to have a small paragraph over here, you can. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. Now here on the third one that says text, let me show you. I'm gonna grab some text. And so let's put it over there. And now you have your text here. So here you can add images. For example, let's say you want to have a logo there. Just click on Add Media, the one over here, Add Media. And let's put the logo there. Here on the right side, you will find alignment, link, and size. Alignment for these little modal boxes, I always select none, so it's centered on the top. You can link it somewhere if you need to. And then here, try to always select full size. Insert. Now I'm gonna save this and show you on the front end. See? So you can have anything you want on these windows here. And I feel like users prefer them because when you're on your phone, your cell phone, it's easier to just have some, the information pop rather than waiting for the next page to load. But if you prefer a new page for each of these, let me know. Now, well, we have these three. Let me see what else. Oh, then we have the YOS section. So we click over here on the YOS tab, And this is the background, the light wood background I have there. In case you want to try something different, you can just change the image over here. You would have to click on the X to delete it and then upload or use a different one from your library. Next, we have the photo and the text. This is this photo and this text. And that's it. That's all you have to edit your website. It's really easy. Now let's go to the About Us page. So here we have your history and then these other bullet points. So we have history, we have your tagline and your text, which correspond to this tagline and this text over here. Then we have this other subtitle. In the 5 years, let me see. Oh, it's over here. Subtitle 2. In the next 5 years, blah, blah. And then we have this text over here, which corresponds to this one at the bottom. Okay, this one, text button. All of them have the title, but let me know if there's something you can't find. So then on the next tabs, I have first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add a title here. I think yeah, because we were not using the title. But in case you want to use it, you have the room here. Let's see what happens. Oh, yep. So yeah, I was going to delete that, but I remember now. I let it there in case you need it. So you can have a little title, a small subtitle, and then your text, or just an image to support the text that you have there. Or maybe a little icon. I'm still not sure, but I'll find something cool. So that would be your About Us page. And then we have the board of directors. For that one, you're going to go to this plugin over here, AMO Team. And we have a few examples here. So you can just see how I set it up and create new ones. It's really simple. You have the name of your board member, their bio over here. The image goes over here on the right, under the featured image section. Then here on the subtitle, you have their title. For example, I don't know, here, board name, this is their name, and here, I don't know, social media director, you know, whatever they do for the organization. And then the bio would go over here. And you can add as many people as you need. Let me show you how. So you are just gonna go to here, over here, add a new member. Then we're gonna, oh, I almost forget. You have to click here, the category, board of directors, set up the image, and then their title over here. You can enter their Facebook profile, LinkedIn. That's in case you want to use that. You don't have to, but you can use it. and you can add more icons. So for example, we can have um, someone's Facebook, and then their LinkedIn page. I'm going to publish this, reload. So we have here the new member, and it's not showing the social media, maybe because it needs a real link. So let me try this. I'm gonna put this page for now. No, I'll find out how to. Oh, I think you need to. Okay, I'll set you up the icons. You have to select them over here. So I'll set them up for you in case you need to show their social. Oh, they're off. Okay, here we go. So social media icons on. I'm sorry, I don't use this plugin very often. No, still not showing. Okay, I'll find out. I probably have to just set you up some images here so you can select them. But as you can see, it's really, really easy to manage this website. And if you need more sections, or there are sections you feel like you don't need, just let me know. And I can edit the original template, so that way you don't have to deal with the drag and drop and the blah blah. You just have to fill it in, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do next is just change these images on the different heroes. I still have to create your contact page, and once we have everything set up, you can start entering more content whenever you have it ready. Oh, I added this call to action down here. It feels to me like you need um, something to to get to people, people to contact you easier than just the contact page. So let me know if you think this is a good idea, or if you want to get rid of it, or maybe say something else instead here. For example, you can have like somebody for it's like to so people sign up to your mailing list. Let me show you something like this. No, maybe you want to have that so people sign up to your blog or your mailing list if you have one. So let me know what you want to do there, because I think it's important for you to have a call to action here, and then another one over here on the hero image. So let me know if you can't think of anything different. I will put just a we can have just a nice phrase here with a button, and so when people click that button, they're automatically taken to like the next section. And then you have, or you can have them scroll all the way down to the form over here. So let me know what you think. But we definitely need some call to action. So yeah, that's it. I think this is all the information you sent me so far. So let me know if you think these pages are enough. If you will need a blog. Blogs are very, very good for Google positioning. So if you're planning on sending a newsletter or writing something for this project, we definitely should have a blog. So you upload everything there, and Google will know that you are an active website and keep you on the top positions. I think that's it. But let me know if you have any questions. I will send you the login for this right now so you can start playing around and you can fill in some more text if you want to. And I'll keep working on the contact page and changing all those hero images. Oh, about the logo, I'll send you more ideas. I really like this one, so I'm having trouble creating a new one. I had some other ideas. I'll send them to you, but I don't think you're gonna like them. And so the colors, I selected bright colors, but I'm not sure if that's what you want. So the colors can be changed really easily. So I'm gonna send you a few more palettes, and also I'm gonna send you this one color. I'll send you the link for this website. They they have here. Let me go browse palettes. They have tons and tons of color palettes, so you can take a look and see if there's anything that you like better. I was using orange and magenta, the bright pink. But then I remember that's the same color, pretty much the same color I used for your other website. So I'm still working on that. It all depends on, what you're looking for. So I like this combination, but if you want something a little more corporate or darker, I don't know, just let me know, okay? I'll send you then this link and the login access, and I will try to finish this so you can move it to your own hosting on Monday. Okay? Bye, Veronique.